Good morning and welcome to this national address by myself, Prime Minister of St. Maarten, regarding the tropical storm that is expected to make landfall or affect the local area later this evening. As per the update from the Meteorological Office, I would like to inform that though there has been some weakening of the storm over the past few hours and that it has gone a bit to the south, we are still expecting to have tropical storm conditions with gusts later this evening. It had been expected that we would have those conditions earlier this afternoon. However, all are expected to continue to make the necessary preparations in order to be ready for when that does take place. It is expected, as far as now, to take place later this evening, and therefore, the updates as per yesterday, especially for business closures, is that the government and other business closures will be done at 2 p.m. today, with the exception of the following essential services. The following essential services will be allowed to remain open until 5 p.m. Those are supermarkets, grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, hardware stores, and pharmacies. So to repeat, all businesses, with the exception of essential services, must close by 2 p.m. The following essential services that are allowed to be remaining open until 5 p.m. are supermarkets, grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, hardware stores, and pharmacies. This gives all those the opportunity to make the essential purchases still needed. However, since you've been prepared all season long, we do expect that the majority of our residents are well prepared for the passing tropical storm. We ask you to remain vigilant and follow our St. Maarten Gov Facebook Live, as well as Government of St. Maarten Radio 1079. We do broadcast also on all the other radio stations, and so you do need to tune in and stay up to date on the latest information. Later this evening, an announcement will be made if further discussions or decisions are needed. So as I mentioned before, the tropical storm has weakened a bit and moved more to the south. However, seeing the size of the storm, we still expect to receive some heavy rainfall as well as gusts that would have tropical storm strengths. As such, we remain under a tropical storm warning. The advice from our police department is to have all residents be off the roads by 6 p.m. So all residents are advised to be off the roads by 6 p.m. This has been the update from the EOC as well as Government of St. Maarten. We are continuing to be vigilant. We ask the general population to always continue to follow meteosxm.com as well as stmartengov.org/hurricane. Stay prepared, ensure you have the essentials for your family, especially for the vulnerable within your community. Look out for each other as neighbors, as we always do here on St. Maarten. Be prepared. We always hope for the best. Always have faith that everything will work out, but be prepared for the worst. We've been here before. We know that even tropical storms can change in strength at the last minute, and so this remains a very fluid situation. We will be back at 6 p.m. with another update.